Azoospermia is a condition where there are no sperms or absent sperm in your semen sample, and the condition seems devastating to the couple with totally no hope for pregnancy. But with the procedure of TESA, that is testicular sperm extraction, we can extract the semen from your testes and inject into the eggs of the female partner with the technology of intracytoplasmic injection with a very good success rate.
Menteri Rambak Kajala Conrad ke sangma hagasi balang jogatayo ulalik jungo ya ka Don Bosco Technical School Chelong. Bat samru ya ki certificate baki appointment letter syaki samla ki bala pendap ki jing pulie ka jongki na kani ka jaka pulie. Hakani singi Menteri Rambak rangkat ka jing dan langki he officer ka jala bat ki board penyat jong ka Don Bosco Technical School ulasa mi ki certificate bat ki appointment letter syaki samla ki bala pendap ki jing pulie bat jing yo jing kai kerpang haki lan ba per bat hadian kani Conrad sangma ulai keren bat jubab ru iki jing kli ki bala bu de ki samla halor ka sap ka phong ka yo kam yo jam bat ki policy trekam jo sarkar jala na ka benta ki samla haba ajing keren ka jing elang Conrad ulai ro ya ka Don Bosco Technical School namar ka jing bun ki samla ki bala pas na kani ka jaka pulie ka kham he shu haba kan thop lang ya ka jing pas ki samla ni ki wei pat ki technical school ki badan ha ka jala bat ula ai kublei ya ka Don Bosco Technical School ya ka kam ka bakrau ka bakala le na ka benta ka imlang salang ula ong ba ka sarkar klabu ya ka thong bantau hadu sanlak teli ki kam hakiliang ba per bat penti kana ba ka sarkar ka ni trelang bat ka Don Bosco Technical School hakalenti ka bahe ban pen urlong ya ka ni ka thong Conrad lo kentu badai ban kenti we kani ke technical school bat ban peniar shu ya ke jing aji kai da ka babu iki kor ki bor bat ya kat kum ke jing dawa jong kapor kat kum kani ke jok ka menta.
There is a sense of this passion that I saw in all of you, this spark that's there in all of you, this desire to really do something, and that's really, I tell you, the most important aspect in life when you do something. You need to ensure that whatever you are doing or thinking or believing, the two people who came here and spoke, you could see that sense of passion in their voice and in their eyes and what they wanted to do or what they're doing. Today, Meghalaya and the entire country faces a very, very tough situation. We have, as we speak, and I would put 18 years as the age which we would say as an adult and a person who is joining the workforce. So based on the 2004 data or 2005 data, the children or the youth that are today turning 18, we have approximately 60,000 of them in Meghalaya every year. And as of today, there are 80,000 children that are born every year in Meghalaya. Which means in 2041, we will be having approximately 80,000 youths that will join the workforce every year. So you are seeing this trend of number of youths that are coming into the workforce, which is a great strength for our state and our country. But at the same time, a very big challenge for us. That how do we ensure that this workforce is used in a productive manner? We have all heard about government jobs, reservation, roster, all these past 6 months. Let me tell you, out of the 60,000 youths who are joining the workforce every year, there is only 1,000 government jobs available for the 60 out of the 60,000. Just 1,000. MPSC, approximately 300 to 400 to 500 advertisements come out every year. 4 to 500. And others, maybe another 200-300, plus minus, you can say about 1,000 on an average every year, government jobs will come out. So what happens to the rest of the 59,000 children? And that is where the real challenge lies for us.